Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 11. Which of the following is not a reflex action? A. Swallowing, B. Sneezing, C. Knee-jerking, D. Coughing, and E. Blinking the eyes. Now, what is a reflex action? Now, reflex actions are automatic responses to stimuli. This word automatic simply means what's involuntary, that is, they are responses that are not controlled by our own selves. So they are automatic responses to stimuli. They occur very rapidly. They occur very rapidly in a stereotyped manner. In a stereotyped manner. Now, this simply means that the response to the given stimuli is always what? Is always the same. So when I say they occur very rapidly in a stereotyped manner, this stereotyped manner simply means what? That the response to this stimuli is always what? The same. Now, they do not involve the conscious or higher centers of the brain. Like I said what? They are involuntary. The reflex action are involuntary. Involuntary. So they do not what? Require the consciousness. One's consciousness. Do not require one's consciousness. Now, example of this reflex action includes the knee jerk, when the knee is capped, blinking of the eyes, sneezing also, sneezing, blinking, knee jerk. All these are what? Automatic responses. We do not control these responses. Also, coughing is not controlled by what? By the higher centers. But then swallowing is what? Is a voluntary action. Swallowing is actually controlled. So swallowing is not a reflex action. All these are reflex action except swallowing. So swallowing is the answer to the question, which is option A. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.